I don't want you guys sleeping on this brand anymore. High Experience just launched this incredible pair color combo here, and I have the jacket on today. I want to give you an honest review. Now, I am 5'5", I'm 125 pounds, and I am currently wearing a size small in this jacket. Let's get into it. The breathability is 30,000 and the waterproofing is 15,000. I love this jacket because it is so aesthetically pleasing. It's a little big on me, but I like it because if you have a big sweatshirt or even a sweater underneath the jacket, you don't have to worry about it not fitting. Now, what I want to show you here is there is a lot of hidden, really great zippers here on this jacket. Now, for this one here, you can throw whatever you would like in there. It's pretty deep, honestly. It goes all the way down here. You also have two nice pockets. They're not with a waterproof zipper, they're just Velcro on the pockets here. And you also have some inside pockets. So right here, you can throw your goggles. There's also a hidden goggle cloth that comes with this jacket, which is so nice. We can go ahead and zip that up. And you also have the nice elastic here that we can go ahead and strap so we don't get any snow in our pants or in our jacket. You also have another pocket here, which is very, very deep. And you'll see here, this material is very soft, it's very smooth, it's comfortable on the skin. You do have another pocket back here that is very nice, thick and wide, so you can stick, honestly, so much in this jacket. It's so practical. I want to show you something cool here. You got air vents in both arms, so you don't have to worry about overheating on the slopes. You also have some elastic here on the bottom of the jacket that's going to help to really keep it nice and close to your body. Again, if you're in some very deep snow, deep terrain, and you do not want any snow in your jacket at all. Now, the arms here are going to come equipped with this nice elastic that is very comfortable and soft on the hands, and it's going to allow that snow not to get into the arms here. And you also can customize where you want that Velcro on the hands. You also do have a nice reflective material going throughout this jacket. Go check out High Experience. They have a bunch of different colors to choose from. This one, again, is the pear color. I highly recommend it. Go have fun on the slopes and grab yours today.